The honing and polishing prescription pathway in Crete RX, Betco's concrete and terrazzo maintenance system, leverages advanced technology to restore and maintain gloss on polished, cementitious surfaces. Let's get started on the procedures for routine maintenance. Prepare floor per regular maintenance practices, such as dust mopping, and remove any large debris from the floor. Prior to using an automatic scrubber for all applications, dilute Betco DensiClean at 0.5 ounces per gallon or 4 milliliters per liter, 1 to 256. Use the Betco Fast Draw system. Equip your auto scrubber with the properly sized Betco SI cleaning pad. Be sure to note that the Betco SI pad is a one-sided pad. Always attach the pad to the auto scrubber or pad driver with the black wear indicator facing toward the floor. For best results, replace the Betco SI pad after approximately 200,000 square feet of use. As a final step, be sure to wipe down any nearby baseboards which may have accumulated soils, set wet floor signs in place, and follow all safety procedures. Damp mop the entire floor and hard-to-reach areas with properly diluted DensiClean. The proper routine maintenance is required to maintain the desired appearance of the floor and to extend the time between interim and restorative maintenance procedures. The Crete RX concrete and terrazzo maintenance system will keep the floors of your store clean and smooth, allowing you to achieve maximum appearance and keep your floors in pristine condition.